Hi, I'm Rob Karpick. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for i5LED. We're at InfoComm 2026 and we're debuting a couple of new products here. One of the ones that I'd like to show you today is our new ThruView ONE. ThruView ONE is now a version of our typical ThruView product, but it is a 1 meter by 1 meter square rental solution. So this is made up of panels that can be set up and torn down and packed away in a flight case where you could be able to use it in a rental situation, or you could actually make it a permanent solution as well. This particular one is in a 6.2 pixel pitch, 2500 nits, and it's received a phenomenal reception here. People see it from across the floor, and we're so happy to debut it here and hope that you want to have a conversation with us about it in the future.